The number one question that I get asked as a realtor is, where should I put my money for the best return on investment in resale? The answer is simple. In 2 words, kitchens and bathrooms. So if you have the budget to do a complete kitchen renovation, great. However, if you don't have the budget, like most of us, there are some things that you can do that are cost effective that will make a huge and dramatic change. If you have, say, oak cupboards are actually solid wood. Do not throw them out. Consider having them painted. Or if you really can't stand them, you could just have them taken off, keep the boxes if they're still in good condition, and just have the new door fronts replaced. Barring that, you can always just update with new hardware. Makes a big difference. Maybe get rid of some brass. A new, clean, simple backsplash. Another cost-effective improvement that you can do in your kitchen that makes a dramatic statement is replacing your outdated countertops. If you don't have a budget for quartz or granite, that's not a problem. There's so many great laminate products on the market. Many have looked just like them. In terms of bathrooms, again, if you have a budget, definitely do a reno. It's something that you will recoup your money on. However, if you don't have a lot of money to spend, there's a couple of quick fixes that might just do the trick. So maybe a new light fixture, new faucets, new countertop is an easy fix. The same thing applies with the cabinetry. Sometimes a fresh coat of paint or even new door fronts make a huge improvement. So putting money into your kitchen and bathroom is always a good investment. It's going to help you down the road when it's time to sell.